Shatta Wale shares his ordeal with a fake Mallam in Ghana over here. This one is actually coming from the camp of Shatta Wale, sharing his ordeal with a fake Mallam in Ghana over here. Memo Kaba, Embra Ghana TV, the platform is so. It's coming from Shatta Wale. Yes. Now, Ghana today say the one kaswadi I want to say a breno Crawford Peter Mallam for ne sa Crawford be na fake for if we be just ada manema no Crawford ta eka omo akosem omo ne bi achia na yenumu ana Shatta in one of his recent conversations no so dia betu jasampa ono kre bi ato no pen e bre bi druye na okwakopo sika ne won seme rebi no anti bre yankoko hwe video ne bra na yehwe ekwan ofa so eka no in a hilarious way na yafa afutu bi de free mo, and that is the reason of showing you this particular video. Dear Mongo Shembra, Nafi to us right here on Trending Ghana TV.
Like, you know, Mallam has nothing in front of him because Ultraman draw. Oh, yes, because me come Mallam one because they say, yeah, Captain Smart say, and I, yeah, say, me pescam, meaning them, person this kind of yes. Okay. I actually tried. The people were telling me about Mallam, you know, those, they can do money. So I actually want to, wait my $15 billion amount. So, what my am where I dedicate to what I said my name you mama no yeah magic so I'm to be the pot you around no over 2000 everything and you see and talk the drew and I say drew I me guy know was it mean can what time or yeah me buy well yes it can be dollars will move this one say you can take it and go. Please can go. No, scanning me one serial number. Matthias said, hey, Mallam, my friend, or because of the want to mean your drop you like me no kasai because me busy about like what that's your now plan is at least but jet back when So, one time I remember I went to Tawale to perform, and he said somebody wanted to see me, and the person came in. As he came in, just kneel down.
It was the same man.
Yeah,
okay.
He wants to beg me, you know, all the things he has done to me, like my girlfriend. And I said, oh, I'm forgiving you. Cool, because the God I've seen that is working things for me doesn't ask me for oil. He doesn't ask me for water. The only thing is, I talk to him, he listens to me, and he works for me. So, I believe, like, all those things I've been through it, but I boldly want people to know that I am a child of God and I believe in God, and that's why they are seeing me strange, because God himself is strange.
All right, I was here. Yeah, about was it? I saw 15 billion. Na papa akoko no so kokko pay Mallam ya supposedly so be also no friend us as a Mallam no I was a billion yeah me nyine say ko better the djuma wo die because technically most of these people no what it here say dudu na fake. Yes, anka wonye fake here anka later onko for sika and serial number the same. Once no they have their own ways of coming out with some of these free currencies, okay? And the obetimi actually be the gum e bi ni say Shatta G we Kofi or coin any serial numbers pepe no say currency no serial numbers should be different, okay? I said runko but we the pepe but they be a one age and one was a paint no or also or G no one share say ABS can say the tier and I say the tier na e mo kakra say Mallam bi so nya godru pa etimi ko de fie akopa da cho say akopa cho say bepo acho say madada wo ana say Mallam no adwuma na oye no ne baby onya ne power na tumi ifiri no wo mo na adada no ana say kra nkasa odofo we nyina no e kire me no mi yedo say prempi no say otahwe most of these television stations are yana contributed to so Mallam asimasi konfo na de ne be yi zika e de mawo e de kire na wo hwe bi ebo a box bi sa na yesifim no de emu nyina kire na fa wi a na omaye ne bia na fa sika apie firi mu aba na ebo onso akukuo bi ebo onso akora bi recently ko ba ko bi a me ni boss ko ade I say calabash kra half kra sa no na fe o de butu am so o to o si bia no dey bia na betime mo nya 200 million. Oh my goodness. 200 million na o say sa kra no 5 cities be or never two they may you film today you see about you see 5 cities jatum and most of the be adults me say be a wo team no you've encountered it before so be for be new kra be a wahwe television station ehunu said yes Akuffo yi almost faso e bunkrofo faso de omo azan chese de nkrofo fasa kwan wi aso a e bia na wo be for be new dan te bia wo nye ne say it ne Training Ghana TV your chance on this particular video a free Shatta Wale ho ebano. Yes, and yama wonso wontie bi free ono ankasa anum na woso wonfa adesua bi emfa emfrimo na bibia so timu say enema hodo de brewo update hodo de brewo and reactions hodo de brewo nyina no adesua kase pa enti titru anytime ya na de brewo se de be ya ye nyina ebesua bibi e de efrimo nti ebrei. What have you actually learned from this one? Have you encountered it before? Have you been frauded before? Have someone dwindled you before? Bibi said to na Mallam be supposed Mallam be Addo fasa kwambone no so na and my ma on our televisions. TV says me be no amabuso anya omonko akonfo be no akonfo be no so ka ho a and the konfo asmasi nana asmasi wan asmasi ne tese yebu nkrofo faso yebu faso si not only that and the so-called asofo pina krampo do mo agisa ayadwumadi so that should tell you say they are not really messengers of God. They are not really pastors or ministers of God. No. Okay? And ebiadane chacha tufo chacha asofo ebiadane lutu asofo ebiadane fasika beji sika asofo ebiadane say ya ntina yamala mfonko na ye enye we say akonfo kwa na mum no omo so from asofo dodo na ade nkofo fasa akwa we say so a na ebu nkofo faso eji nkofo sika efa kwambone so eji nkofo esika ebe na bi atoda emana nto wansa na kwan bi so na bi amoni ada ho da bi dem nkofo de atoto mu no na me no mi no yesua bibi de afri mu se de be ya orofo bibi etesa so entimi ento wo ebi nkofo kan se ye no se ayampa pa real nkofo ebu nkofo for this is a clear testimony a free Shatta Wale ho ebe say mo hwe bi ebe repeat video mo se see so quite hilarious. Okay, now for the or make the mind so we over private jet back now for this can be in cry say or make who arrangement jina wie ana aja akwakọ to say ye homete sem na so no e dey anya sie we tie jina fa bi film na ye hye bi so film say dey situ na ye so ana wo a wo hwe so e bi ankwankoto
my papa me shoulder like Mallam has knelt in front of him because Ultraman draw. Oh yes, because me come Mallam one because say yeah, Captain Smart say, and I say, me pescam medium, pescam this kind of yes. Okay. I actually tried. The people were telling me about Mallam, those they can do money. So I actually so where's my $15 billion amount? So what my where I decate what I said my name be mommy. No yeah magic. So I'm to be the pot you around there. No 2,000
everything
and you see and thought a drew and I said drew. I guy know what? Was it mean or dime or yeah? Me buy well yes it can be dollars will move this one say you can take it and go. Me this kind of call no scanning me one serial number. But I say hey Mallam. My friend or me catch want to me get drop you like me no kasai because me busy about like what that's your power now my plan is at least better jet back when I'm so what I remember what I wanted to before
Abusia is hilarious, quite hilarious, but you should be free her. I was say way do aye a kwami say or the car is ready. But side anyway, most of the youth the trimupa. Instead, so by Juma. Now then, Sakasika. Now or dear did Juma or person did now they are told the person the tunnel. You don't know, say, oh, may come along ho. meko we ho mako gisi kantem, okay? And so we say e work ma no a ye nimre ho so no na Shatta Wale at the private jet mu na nkrofo Shatta wa ya de na ye de no twa empoa other artists no mpoa se monhwe mo nipa mo ne si so ebo onwom hwese wato private jet but mo maka you be into be, and that is exactly what is actually going on in the youth this time. Monhwe and the parents be crowd just a mrantie ni bi bra omabo etwa omoma no mpoa epiepie omoko tibia bone mu monhwe we onu na si so ona na temantem ha nanso so no hwese otimi akoto card dem wo hwese otimi akoye we si dem wo hwe moto bi o teso hwe dan bi e wosi se plot bi a wagye hwese ase bi a wakogye na ye de twetwe enem mrantie ni bi kotibia bone mu but asemusan say ehi fa na nipa no nya free ya when we be on your free, and so let us pick something from this one. Na you should be free mo. Na you want to say, enye ade shenshenya nyina ana isika kokko na enye de yedi ani hunu nyina no ana saa nso ana etie. Enye obi ehunu se wo ye yie bia na ye yie papa na emum no ebi ne nam ekwan ahodo bi a ye kase koye a ebi a wontimi enye. Na pressure p no mama you to put pressure p on yourselves, okay?
He said somebody wanted to see me and the person came in. I said, can we just kneel down?
It was the same Mallam.
Yeah,
Okay.
he wants to beg me, all the things he has done to me, like my girlfriend. And I said, oh, I'm forgiving you. Cool, because the God I've seen that is working things for me doesn't ask me for oil. He doesn't ask me for water. Smart. The only thing is, I talk to him.
Every
Mallam has a permission. Mallam has nothing.
Yes, thank you so much for having time watch this particular video. If you've benefited from this particular video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and be part of this wonderful family. And then after click on the subscribe button, try to turn on the notification bell so that whenever there's an update over here on our platform, you can be part of the first people to actually enjoy our interesting videos and captivating videos over here. And don't forget to share this particular video so others can also learn from this one. The like button is there for you. Like it. And then if you have any comment, if you've learned something out of this particular update, you can also put it in the comment section. I'll be grateful to actually read your comment. Thank you so much. And to the next update, God bless you and do have a wonderful day.